How to send money from Pyypl to GCASH. Install and open the Pyypl app. Start registration by typing your number here. Click the next button. Complete this human verification challenge. Type your OTP here. And then set your passcode here. You can now see the Pyypl home screen. Click on the send button. Click mobile wallet. Select GCash here. Type the amount in AED here. And you can see the conversion here. Or you can type the amount you want to send in pesos here. Let's say you want to send 10,000 pesos. Just type 10,000 pesos here and you will see how much 10,000 pesos is in AED. If you're okay with this amount, click next. Type the first name and the last name of your recipient. Type your recipient's mobile phone number here. Click next again. And you're done. You will see a record of your transfer here. And that's how you send money from Pyypl to GCash. Cheers!